हमें जो है रूस पे पूरा भरोसा है। आई मीन अगेन जो हम जो दोस्ती की बात जो करते हैं उसमें उसकी अजम्पशन ये है कि रूस ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं करेगा जो हमारे हित में नहीं है। और ये मैं आपको कह सकता हूँ कि उनकी जो बातचीत जो आज हुई है उसके बाद हम तो एक किस्म से वी आर satisfied that Russia understands India's interest, will never do anything which is contrary to India's interest, and I think there was a very strong meeting of minds on this subject.
I am Chandan.
Sir, if I may, I have a slightly broader...
Please identify.
Sorry, I am Chandani with NDTV. You identified me with
From which
NDTV.
organization?
My question is slightly broader, not specific to Russia, but BRICS overall. The issue of terror and the fact that Russia and China have been involved and have engagements in the region is something we all know. But BRICS was set up as an economic, trade, investment, sort of forum for growing economies in the world. Where do Brazil and South Africa, for example, fit in when so much of the conversations and the anticipation that the declaration will also contain terrorism as an issue? Where do they fit in this entire conversation? What role do they have?
Okay. First of all, what I shared with you is an India-Russia statement. Wait for the BRICS statement.
Exactly.
When you see the BRICS statement, partly the question will answer itself. But even in the India-Russia statement, I read out the terrorist segment, but you will see in the statement, it's a very lengthy statement, a very substantive statement, which will show really the breadth of our cooperation with Russia. When it comes to BRICS, I would put it differently. I think BRICS was envisaged as a global grouping. Each of the BRICS members is located in a different part of the world. People sometimes say they are very different countries, but they are united in their approach to global issues. In the initial years, the global issues were primarily developmental issues, economic issues, issues about the nature of the international system. But the BRICS has never shied away from political issues. I mean, look at old BRICS statements. They always, for example, had references to the Middle East. Today, I think there's a recognition that terrorism is not an issue just for India. The epicenter may be close to India, but the impact, the activities of the epicenter extend throughout the world.